Apple craze has gripped Mumbai yet again with the launch of Apple's iPhone 15 series. India's first Apple store at Mumbai's BKC is seeing long queues of people to get their hands on Apple's latest release. Apple's iPhone 15 series goes on sale in India from today.
क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप?
मैं कल दोपहर से आया हूँ 3 बजे से 17 घंटे लाइन में रुका फर्स्ट आईफोन लेने के लिए इंडिया के पहले एप्पल स्टोर से और मैं खास अहमदाबाद से आया हूँ ये लेने के लिए।
अहमदाबाद में ऐसा सुविधा नहीं है क्या?
अहमदाबाद में लेकिन इधर का एक्सपीरियंस ही अलग होगा ना, ये जो माहौल है इधर का वो कहीं और अहमदाबाद में तो कहीं पे भी नहीं होगा।
कैसा लग रहा है कि आपने क्या रेट है, क्या स्पेसिफिकेशन है मोबाइल में?
और मेरा 256 GB है वाइट टाइटेनियम प्रो मैक्स, साथ में मैंने एक वॉच अल्ट्रा 2 ली है और एयरपॉड प्रो सेकंड जेन टाइप सी लिया।
और कुछ कहना चाहेंगे इस मोबाइल के बारे में? आपको
बेस्ट है, पहले दिन में क्या बहुत खुश हूँ मैं।
थैंक यू। आपका नाम बताइए।
Hi, my name is Vivek. I'm from Bangalore. Yeah, I arrived today this morning around 4 o'clock. Tried to get the phone first, but the gentleman made it. I couldn't make it to the queue, but I'm happy I'm getting my new iPhone 15 Pro.
How excited about your?
Very much excited. I've been waiting this all year, so very much excited.
And what is the specification in this mobile?
So I'm looking forward for the new titanium build, the new natural titanium color. So that's something I'm excited about. Yeah, and also made some new friends here.
Yes.
So can't be grateful enough for this.
Do you want to say anything new for this mobile?
Or should buy it.
Yeah.
Change. Don't use Android. Use iPhone.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
आपका नाम बताइए।
My name is An Harsha.
आप कहाँ से आए हो? क्या
I'm from Ahmedabad, Gujarat. I flew in yesterday. I was here at the store at 5 or 6 o'clock, and I've been waiting in line since. Yes, I did not pre-order the phone, and hence I had to wait in the regular line. But I'm fortunate enough to get the first window, and I will buy the iPhone 15 Pro Max Natural Titanium 256 GB.
How excitement are you having this mobile?
So actually, I've been doing this since 7 years. I've done it twice in Boston, where I was a student. Then I was in New York. Then I've done it in Surat and Ahmedabad, and now I'm in Bombay. I was actually here a few months ago for this store opening, where I was fortunate enough to meet Tim Cook for the second time. So yeah, pretty excited, very excited.
Why have you chosen the store in Mumbai?
There's only 2 stores. There's the one in Delhi and there's the one in Bombay, and clearly this one's a bigger store. It's a more flagship store. So of course, this is the place to be.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.